Hey everyone, has this ever happened to you? You're climbing the stairs and suddenly your legs just don't feel like they used to. That familiar strength slowly fading? Maybe just getting up from your favorite armchair takes a little more effort these days. Or those long walks you used to love now seem a bit daunting. If any of this hits home, you're definitely not alone. Getting older brings a lot of wisdom and great experiences, but sometimes it also brings unwelcome changes to our bodies, especially to the legs that have carried us through life. We're so focused on our hearts, brains, and bones, but what about these silent supporters? We often neglect them until pain or weakness demands our attention. But let me let you in on a little secret. This isn't inevitable. What if I told you there's a simple yet powerful way to turn things around, maybe even make your legs feel stronger than they have in years? In this video, we're going to dive into the top 6 powerhouse nutrients to stop age-related leg weakness. We're talking about compounds beyond the usual vitamins and minerals that directly support your leg's strength, structure, and function. Stuff that's often overlooked but can make a world of difference. That tired feeling, that struggle in our legs as we age, it's like a chain holding back our quality of life. Sarcopenia, which is age-related muscle loss, stiff joints, thinning cartilage, chronic inflammation, they all team up to limit our mobility and increase our risk of falls. It can even lead to circulation and nerve problems, causing numbness or wounds that just won't heal. Sounds pretty scary, right? But hold on, the solution might be simpler than you think, and it could be hiding right in your kitchen. In this video, I'm going to break down 6 incredible nutrients. The absolute bedrock for your muscles, even more crucial as the years go by. Miraculous fats that soothe aching joints, boost blood flow, and protect your nerves. The unsung hero that literally holds your tendons, joints, and ligaments together, giving you flexibility. An amazing compound that recharges your muscles with instant energy, helping you reclaim your strength, especially as you age. The building block that repairs and protects the cartilage in your joints, supporting your freedom of movement. And finally, number 6, perhaps the most important of them all, a golden spice extract from Mother Nature that fights chronic inflammation and pain like a champ. You absolutely don't want to miss this one. It could be a real game changer for your leg health. What changes have you noticed most in your legs as you've gotten older? Maybe you have a story, a challenge, or even a little victory you'd like to share. I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if this information already sounds valuable, stick with us to the end because these tips could genuinely change your life. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our science-backed tips for healthy aging. Your legs will thank you for it. We've poured hours into researching for this video, sifting through countless scientific articles and expert opinions. Our goal is to bring you the most accurate, reliable, and useful information out there. This kind of in-depth research and content creation takes a serious amount of effort. Every single like, comment, and subscription we get truly fuels us to keep going. If you appreciate this effort and want to help these valuable insights reach more people, please take just a second right now to subscribe to our channel for free and hit that notification bell. It means the world to us. Now, let's get into those amazing nutrients that can bring your legs back to life. Omega-3 fatty acids. Inflammation's foe, circulation's friend. When most people hear the word fat, they don't think of healing or strength, they think of something to avoid. But what if one particular type of fat could do just the opposite? What if it could soothe aching joints, improve blood flow to your legs, and even protect the delicate nerves that make every step possible? That's exactly what omega-3 fatty acids are known for, and their power is especially vital for aging legs. Leg pain, stiffness, and swelling are common complaints among older adults, and they're often tied to low-grade chronic inflammation. Whether it's arthritis in the knees, aching calves, or sore ankles, inflammation is often the invisible saboteur behind declining leg comfort and mobility. This is where omega-3 step in, not as a quick fix, but as a natural, long-term anti-inflammatory ally. Unlike over-the-counter medications that temporarily block pain, omega-3 fatty acids work from within, gently down-regulating the body's inflammatory response at the cellular level. EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, the two most active forms of omega-3s found in fish oil, influence the production of signaling molecules that help resolve inflammation rather than fuel it. The result? Joints that move more freely with less swelling and stiffness, and legs that feel less weighed down by chronic discomfort. But the magic of omega-3s doesn't stop at inflammation. As we age, circulation to our lower limbs naturally declines. The tiny capillaries that deliver oxygen and nutrients to our legs and feet become less efficient, contributing to cold feet, cramping, slow wound healing, and even more serious issues for those with diabetes or peripheral artery disease. Omega-3s help by improving endothelial function. That's the health of the inner lining of your blood vessels. They encourage vasodilation, keeping blood flowing smoothly and preventing clots, which means more oxygen and nourishment reaches your leg muscles, nerves, and skin. There's also compelling evidence suggesting that omega-3s may play a protective role in nerve health, particularly for those dealing with tingling, burning, or numbness in the legs. This is especially critical for older adults with diabetes or vascular issues. So, where do you find this remarkable fat? The best sources are cold water fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies. For those who don't eat fish regularly, purified fish oil supplements or alga oil, a vegan option, can provide effective alternatives. While the ideal dose varies, many studies support 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day for anti-inflammatory and cardiovascular benefits. If you've learned about the benefits of omega-3s and are considering them for your leg health, type 1 in the comments. Let's see how many of us are ready to take this important step. Now hold on tight, because the next nutrient we're talking about will literally strengthen the scaffolding of your legs. Collagen, the secret support for joints and ligaments. You might not see it, but beneath every strong step, flexible knee, and steady ankle lies a hidden framework. Collagen. It weaves through your tendons, cushions your joints, and gives your ligaments their spring. It literally holds your legs together. But as the years pass, this structural matrix quietly weakens. Joints start to ache, your knees don't bend as easily, and your legs lose that sense of stability and bounce they once had. So the question is, can we rebuild what time has taken away? Can collagen truly restore the integrity of our aging legs? The answer is promising, and it starts with collagen peptides. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, forming the scaffolding of connective tissue. But after age 30, your body starts producing less collagen every year. By the time you're in your 60s or 70s, that decline can be felt in every creaky knee and overstretched tendon. Unlike muscle mass, which can sometimes be visibly regained with training and protein, collagen loss is slower to reveal itself but no less serious. This is where collagen peptides step in. Unlike ordinary dietary collagen, hydrolyzed collagen peptides are broken down into short amino acid chains that are easily absorbed into the bloodstream. Once there, they don't just disappear. They travel to the joints and connective tissues where they act like messengers, stimulating your body's own collagen production. In clinical studies, people who took daily collagen peptides experienced reduced joint pain, better flexibility, and even improved bone mineral density over time. This means more stable knees, more resilient ankles, and a lower risk of soft tissue injuries that could take months to heal in older adults. But collagen doesn't work in isolation. To be truly effective, it relies on key cofactors, especially vitamin C, which acts like a switch for collagen synthesis. That's why many high-quality collagen supplements include added vitamin C, or recommend taking it alongside citrus fruits or bell peppers. Timing and consistency also matter. Most clinical benefits are seen with 8 to 12 weeks of daily supplementation. As for sources, collagen peptides are most commonly derived from bovine, cow, marine, or porcine collagen. The next nutrient is going to feel like installing a power plant in your legs. Get ready, because when you hear about this one, you'll wonder, why didn't I know this sooner? 4. Creatine, restoring lost muscle energy. Is there a way to restore that deep cellular energy that fuels strong, capable legs, especially in aging bodies? Enter creatine, the nutrient often misunderstood as just a bodybuilder's supplement, but increasingly recognized as a powerhouse for healthy aging. At its core, creatine is a natural compound stored in your muscles, where it functions as a fast-acting energy reserve. Every time you stand, climb, or lift, especially when the movement is quick or forceful, your muscles tap into creatine to regenerate ATP, the molecule that powers muscle contraction. It's like having a backup generator for your legs. But as we age, our natural creatine stores decline, and so does our ability to generate quick, efficient energy during movement. The result? Legs that fatigue more easily, reduced walking speed, and a subtle but dangerous erosion of balance and confidence. But here's the remarkable part. Creatine is one of the most studied and effective supplements for reversing age-related muscle decline. When combined with even modest resistance training, creatine has been shown to increase lower body strength, muscle mass, and functional performance in older adults. In meta-analyses, seniors who took creatine while engaging in regular exercise significantly improved their walking speed, chair rise time, and leg power compared to those who didn't. Creatine's effects are often noticeable within weeks. Users report improved energy during walks, better stability when rising from a chair, and a general sense of restored capability in their legs. So, how do you take it? The most common form is creatine monohydrate, a well-researched and affordable option. A daily dose of 3 to 5 grams is typically effective and safe for older adults. No need for loading phases or cycling, just consistency. If this info is helpful and you're thinking about trying creatine to power up your legs, let us know by typing 2 in the comments. And now, let's move on to another trusted building block, one that could be your joint's best friend.
Glucosamine, the protective shield for your joints. Glucosamine isn't flashy. It's not a trendy superfood or a high-performance supplement, but for decades, it has quietly stood as one of the most researched nutrients for joint health, particularly for osteoarthritis, the progressive breakdown of cartilage that affects millions of aging adults. What makes glucosamine special is that it isn't just a pain reliever. It's a building block, a structural component of the molecules that form cartilage, joint fluid, and connective tissue. Think of it as raw material for joint repair. As we age, the body's ability to maintain and regenerate cartilage declines. The result is thinning joint surfaces, inflammation, stiffness, and pain, especially in the weight-bearing joints of the legs. The knees, in particular, bear the brunt. Glucosamine supports the body's natural cartilage production while also helping maintain the thick, viscous fluid that lubricates and nourishes joints from within. In several long-term studies, glucosamine, particularly in the sulfate form, has been shown to reduce joint pain and slow the progression of cartilage loss, especially in the knee. Perhaps the most underappreciated aspect of glucosamine is its stabilizing effect. Unlike quick fixes that mask pain, glucosamine provides structural support. It works gradually, reinforcing the internal scaffolding of joints over time. Users often report subtle but meaningful improvements: less cracking, easier bending, more fluid motion, and greater confidence in daily tasks like climbing stairs or walking on uneven ground. How should it be taken? The standard dosage for glucosamine sulfate is 1,500 milligrams per day, often split into 2 or 3 smaller doses with meals. It may take 4 to 8 weeks before noticeable benefits appear, which is why consistency is key. If you've learned about the support glucosamine can offer your joints and are considering it, type 3 in the comments. And we've reached the end of our list, but definitely not the least impactful. This last natural miracle I'm about to share is like gold for fighting that stubborn inflammation and pain in your legs. 6. Curcumin, nature's golden touch for relief. Long used in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and Chinese herbalism, curcumin has gained global attention in recent years for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But this isn't just folklore. Modern science has validated curcumin's effects in hundreds of studies, many of which focus on its role in chronic joint and muscle conditions. In particular, curcumin has shown promise in managing osteoarthritis, tendinitis, and inflammatory pain, all of which commonly affect the legs and lower extremities in older adults. So, how does it work? At the cellular level, curcumin interrupts the inflammatory cascade by blocking key enzymes and signaling molecules that fuel swelling and pain. Unlike conventional NSAIDs, which often come with gastrointestinal side effects or long-term risks, curcumin is gentler on the body, especially when taken in optimized forms. Clinical trials have even shown curcumin to be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing joint pain and stiffness in patients with arthritis, with a significantly better safety profile. For aging legs, this means less swelling in the knees, reduced tension in overused tendons, and more comfort during movement. One of curcumin's long-standing challenges has been bioavailability. In its raw form, it doesn't absorb well. Fortunately, modern formulations have solved this. Enhanced versions such as curcumin with piperine, black pepper extract, phytosomal curcumin, or nanocurcumin are now widely available and significantly more effective. A common dosage for joint and inflammatory support ranges between 500 to 1,000 milligrams of standardized curcumin extract daily, though individual needs may vary. Taken consistently, most people begin to notice improvements within 4 to 6 weeks.
Throughout this journey, we've explored 6 powerful nutrients: omega-3s to fight inflammation and boost circulation, collagen peptides to reinforce connective tissues, creatine to reignite muscle energy, glucosamine to protect joint cartilage, and finally, curcumin for natural pain and inflammation relief. Remember, everybody is different. Before starting any new supplement, it's wise to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing conditions or take prescription medications. The road to healthier legs doesn't begin with surgery or injections, or by waiting for things to get worse. It begins with nutrition, with smart choices made one step at a time. You now have the knowledge, you have the science, and most importantly, you have the power to take action. So feed your legs what they truly need and let them carry you forward, stronger than ever. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit that like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. And of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.